Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our YouTube channel Academia Ambala. Dear students, we will continue with our lesson number 2, Computer Languages. In the last video, we learned about various categories of language like machine language, low level language, etc. In this class, we will move further with another category of language, that is the high level language. So what is high level language? High level language uses instructions similar to English language. It is very user friendly and resembles the language that we use, and it is much easier to understand and write a program in this language. A program written in high-level language can be used on almost all the computers without any change. This is the greatest advance of this language, that is, it is independent, as it can be used on almost all the computers. Now, as we can see, to convert high-level language into the machine language, various softwares are used. So one of them are interpreter or compiler. Dear students, as you can see, the interpreter and compiler are the two programs used by high level language, used to translate high level language into the machine language so that computer can understand it. Now, the high level language has mainly three categories, that is procedural language, non-procedural language and natural language. A procedural language is also called third generation language. The instructions written in procedural language tells the computer what to accomplish and how to accomplish. For example, this language uses English-like words to make it easy for the programmer to write the program. Now, the procedural language is also called the source program, which must be translated into machine language so that the computer can understand it. For example, BASIC, COBOL, Pascal. Dear students, BASIC, COBOL, Pascal are examples of procedural language. The next category is non-procedural language. A non-procedural language is also called fourth generation language. The instructions written in non-procedural language only specifies what to accomplish without explaining how. It uses English-like statements. It is also called source program, which must be translated into machine language so that the computer can understand it. Now, examples of non-procedural language are Visual Basic, Oracle and Java. And the last category of high-level language is natural language. A natural language, sometimes called fifth generation language, is a type of query language that allows the users to enter requests that resembles human speech. Natural language are associated with expert systems and artificial intelligence. Its example is Visual Basic, Oracle and Java. All these are examples of high level language, that is the natural language. Now we are going to discuss language processor. So basically, what is language processor? It is a software that converts source program into machine language. So as we discussed, There are two main programs which converts high level language into machine language. First one is compiler and another one is interpreter. So what is compiler? Compiler converts high level language program into machine language. It converts the entire HLL program into machine language at once, that is in a single go. And what is interpreter? Interpreter also converts the high level language program into machine language. But dear students, the main thing is that it converts one line of a program at a time and displays the error. So I hope you are clear with what is high level language and its category. That's all for today. Thank you so much.